Hello everyone, Jane here again from TechSansar.com. In this video we are going to demonstrate you how to remove LeadBoxer from Outlook. If you are watching this video, you already know what LeadBoxer is for. That helps to centralized email tracking for your organizations. In our case, we had a trouble removing LeadBoxer as an individual. I had a very difficult time removing LeadBoxer, and due to LeadBoxer I couldn't send emails to my colleagues even though I was using organization email. Our organization email, as you can see in the screen, we had not subscribed to LeadBoxer, and somehow this add-in in Microsoft Outlook prevented us or prevented our email being sent, and as a result emails were being saved as draft. Even though we didn't have dataset identifier and we paused email tracking in the LeadBoxer, we got no success. Trying to find solution here. You can customize your ribbon for Outlook, and then there you can see a LeadBoxer in the main tabs. We try to remove this LeadBoxer from Outlook tabs. Remove those. However, even after removing the LeadBoxer from our ribbons, we had no success. That's why we played around multiple options of removing LeadBoxer. We had to work on removing LeadBoxer from popular commands, from tools tab, from sent email tab, and so many options. However, sending the email was not success, and as you can see, LeadBoxer is working on your request. It says, but an add-on prevented this message from being sent. It will be saved as a draft. If you hit send and immediately switch to any other option in your Outlook, you receive this option. However, if you hit send and stop there, then you are not greeted with that add-on prevented message. However, that may not be the always case. So we searched for Microsoft Store in our Windows 10 for LeadBoxer, no success. Again, went to apps and feature to find if there are any plugins installed in the Windows, no success. And again, a quick search led us to the browser based LeadBoxer app, and again no success. Finally, we have to work on some of the solutions. As we now know that LeadBoxer is an add-in as a service, now go to get add-ins on your desktop Outlook application or outlook.office.com and open an individual email with 3 ellipses and go to add-ins. On my add-ins, you can see that store add-ins has LeadBoxer for Outlook email tracking platform. Once you open LeadBoxer for Outlook, you realize that this is an add-in installed as a service and not as an standalone add-in available on your Windows computer. There you see the option to remove this add-in directly from your web services, either from the browser-based Outlook email client or the desktop email client. You can remove from anywhere. Finally, no add-ins found message you can see once the LeadBoxer is removed. This means, oh god, we saved a lot of time that we spent on figuring out how to remove add-ins. Consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.